Hey guys, it's Tanya. I am going to do a what is in my home birth kit. Yesterday I had my home visit. We are officially 37 weeks, which means that I can have the baby anytime. My due date's not till August 20th, but I'm officially in safe zone and little baby can come whenever they are ready to come. So if you're not familiar with home births, a home visit is basically when your midwife comes to your house. They will typically bring your birthing kit if they supply it for you. They will bring your birthing tub if you rented one from them. And they're going to check to see, kind of get a feel for how far your house is from where they live, so they know how soon or quickly they need to leave when you go into labor. They're also going to want to know where you plan on laboring and kind of get a feel for your house. And also to make sure that you have running water, electricity, and it is safe for your baby to be born at your home. So that is what a home visit is. The birthing kit is basically all of the supplies that your midwife will need when you go into labor. And so depending on the company or the midwife you use, sometimes you will have to order this yourself, and other times they will supply it for you. So just depending on who you use determines how you get your birthing kit and what all is in your birthing kit. So my particular midwife supplies our birthing kit, and then she brings it to us during our home visit, along with our little checklist of things that we need to have ourselves, or purchase ourselves, or make sure we have on hand. So I'm going to show you guys what's in this particular birthing bag. So I've done another one of these videos. This is our 5th home birth. So I've done other ones, but I always like to do another one just because times change, and you know, see if anything's changed on what's in the kits and all that good stuff. So let's dive into this lovely bag. Alrighty, so the first thing that's in here are chuck pads. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 chuck pads, and they do recommend that I buy another bag of these because you go through these like hotcakes. So if you haven't had a baby, chuck pads are basically large pads that you lay under you. So they look like this. And so you put these under you on your bed, or wherever you're going to be, to kind of protect your bed from blood and things like that after you've had the baby, or while you're laboring. If your water hasn't broke, they'll use these little chuck pads. So that's what those are, and you go through tons and tons of these. So they do recommend that I buy more. So that's in there. My little Peri bottle is in there. The Peri bottle is what you use to clean your yoni after you've had the baby. So we fill this with witch hazel and water. If you have your baby at the hospital, they'll supply you with a Peri bottle and one that you can take home. Your birthing kit, they send it in there, so you'll have it, but you basically just put your solution in there, and typically your midwife will make your solution for you, and then you just spray yourself every single time you go to the bathroom. So I bought a bidet because I heard that bidets are wonderful after you've had a baby. So I am super excited to try it and see if this thing is cracked up of what they say it's cracked up to be after I have the baby. But I also have my little Peri bottle as well. So that's in there. And then we rented a birthing tub this time around for our baby. The last couple times we just used a plastic pool, and then another time we were going to use our bathtub because it is deep enough. This time we decided to rent an actual birthing tub. So this is the liner for that. So you'll see that was in there. Then we have a gauze, of course, and we have 4 sets of gloves. So 2 different sizes. So there we have those. then we have this little thing, and I have no idea what it is. I don't know what this is. You guys know what that is? I've never seen one of these. These have never been in my kit before. It has like little ounces on it, so I'm assuming it's for liquid. It has a top on it. I'm thinking that maybe this has something to do with the birthing tub. I don't know. Maybe they like collect stuff. Guys, I don't know. I have no idea what this is. So after I have the baby, I will come back and I will specifically tell you guys what this thing was used for. In the meantime, if you know, let me know so I can be prepared. No surprises. I don't know what that is. Alright, and then we got two little baggies. This is the baby's little baggie. It's so cute, little diaper. So you have a little diaper in here. You have the little hat. They give you a hat. You have the umbilical cord kit to clamp the umbilical cord, some alcohol pads, some ointment, all that good stuff. You have your little, if you decide you're gonna give your baby vitamin K drops, you have a little thing for that. So there's that. And then this is my baggie. So in here, they gave me straws for my water, just in case I don't have any straws at home. You have my lovely lingerie birth panties. Aren't they beautiful? So guys, if you have not had a baby, they supply you with these lovely little underwear after you've had your baby. They are nice and stretchy, and they are disposable, very air breathable. And so you put these on, and then you put this massive pad in here. So this holds this. And that is what you wear right after you have the baby, and then you can go into your more comfortable, cute, whatever underwear you choose to wear. But this is what they give you for after you've had the baby. So that is in there. And then we have a lovely little disinfectant sponge to clean me up or clean the area if I need to be cleaned or anything like that. So that's in there. So yep, that's it. That's all that's in there. So as you can see, with a home birth, you don't have all the tools and medical supplies and things that you'll see at a hospital. There's no sharp objects and all that kind of stuff, and all the sterile things laying around. None of that. So it's very simple, very non-involved, which I personally love about home births. So your birthing kits aren't going to be, again, too involved with things. So that is my lovely birthing kit for this baby. I do have a bag packed up with other supplies that they recommended that I have, so I will do a video on what I have in that bag so you guys can kind of see other things that you might need if you are planning on having a home birth. And yeah, so that's it. So if you guys have any questions about home birth, or any of our previous births, or anything like that, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you know what that bottle is, let me know so I can know. You know, the more we know. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I shall chat with you later. I might have a baby, I may not have a baby, we'll see. Alrighty, talk to you soon. Bye.